Alright, welcome to an episode of Can't Be Arsed Cooking. Can't Be Arsed Cooking. Alright, we're going to make some porridge today, and what we need are some oats. These are fully oats. These are fully oats. Milk, a bowl, and maybe some extras if you want some sugar, some jam, some maple syrup, or whatever. Alright, we're going to first put these oats into a mixer or blender. Right, we're going to make them really small, so easy to cook. Right, here we go. Right, well, there we go. So we just made them really small little granules, so they're really quick to cook when you just put them in the microwave or whatever you want to do with them, yeah? Alright, so with these fine little granules of oats, we're going to put them into a container like so. Yeah, there we go, lovely jubbly. If you want to make some more, you can, and you can store it for later. Right, we're going to put some milk into a bowl. Right, about this much, a bit more, about so, yeah. Right, we put milk into a bowl, like so, and then we bring it all the way around here, doop, into a microwave. We're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes at 600 watts. You can, if you like, put it on a cooker, but I just can't be arsed. Alright, so here we go. Got nice, warm milk. We're going to start adding some oats until we get a nice consistency. Here we go. Just add 1, 2, 3. There we go, and just keep adding in. Keep stirring and adding and stirring. And stirring, and yeah, got it. More milk now, so I just use it as a spoon, whatever. Oh, here we go, that's looking nice now. Remember, when you put it back in the microwave, which we're going to do in a second, it's going to start getting really thick again. So don't overdo this bit. Alright. Alright, so yeah, so we're going to put it in the microwave again for another minute at 600 watts again. And look at that, it looks lovely, doesn't it? Alright, so you can eat it as it is, but we can just start adding things to how you like it, to make it really lovely jubbly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some banana, and I like just cutting it with my fingers, if that's what you call it, cutting with your fingers, because I just can't be arsed. Alright, and then pop, that's 4. And then we can start, we just add a little bit of jam to make it a bit sweet. You can, if you like, add a bit of sugar if you like, or whatever you want. You can add some honey, or whatever, and things. Yeah, so then we just add a little bit of cold milk. Oh, yeah, look at that. It looks lovely, doesn't it? And I'm going to top it off with some cinnamon. Cinnamon's great, isn't it? Look at that. And there we have it. We have a nice bowl of porridge. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, yeah, just write a comment, and things. Bye.